You might be the one taking me home.
What's up, guys? Okay, so here is a quick collection of my dip powder. I got tired of going to the salon and paying like $55 every 2 weeks, so I went ahead and pretty much brought me my own collection. So I will be showing you guys some videos, and if you follow me on Instagram, you have seen some of the nail polishes. But anywho, what I'm doing here pretty much is I'm just shaping my nails to get ready to go ahead and put the actual dip powder on there. And once you have the desired look, you want to go ahead and push your cuticles back. Now, I'm not a professional at doing this whole cuticle thing. I watched plenty of videos, but you're pretty much just, this helps like to soften the cuticle and to make sure that you don't have any of that, stuff that you usually have on the cuticles. I haven't gone into cutting my cuticles or anything like that. I haven't really seen the need for it. Also, the background for my towel is like filled with nail polish. Wherever you are doing the dip powder, I do highly recommend that you lay something out, because you do not want your area or your desk, your table to be filled with the dip powder, because that's kind of gross. And then here what I'm doing is I have these alcohol wipes, and I'm making sure to get all the extra shine off of my hands, even though I have already washed my fingernails. And then you want to go ahead and buff out your nails. I don't really feel like this is a good buffer. I think I got it from Walmart, but I'm working with what I got. So these are the two colors that I decided to do. It's like blue sparkly and black. So I used to use this clear nail polish that I got from Dollar Tree. I got this one online from AliExpress, and the reason why I put on the clear nail polish is just for the simple fact that I like to change my nails out a lot, and it helps to lift, the nail polish to come up easier when I do need to take it off. But the way this is set up is you always want to start with your base is number 1, number 2 is your activator, and then number 3 is like your set, where you need to like set it where you get that shine from. And I'm just going ahead and putting the nail primer. This is the first time I'm using the nail primer. Like I said, I usually use the clear nail polish, but I wanted to try this out, so I'll let you guys know how that goes. And then once you do all of that, you're going to see what I'm doing. That white powder is actually a transparent powder, and that is pretty much what you need to start it off. I have not tried using the dip powders without this. If you would like me to do that, I can try to see, test it out. Why not? This is a testing phase for me. But also I got into the dip powder not because of the pricing, but my friend actually sent me this article letting me know that salons weren't protecting each client after a dip powder use. So people were like getting herpes on their hands. If you have like cuts on your hands, if you don't know about them, or if you do know about them, the nail technicians were still doing the dip powder. And I never really sat back and thought about that until she sent me that article, and I'm like, yeah, I've never seen them put it in a separate container or throw it away. So they're clearly using their dip powders on millions of clients that they get, and I just thought that was gross. And keep in mind, I got all this stuff before, this COVID-19 broke out. And then I just took my little pink brush there and dust off the excess powder. So now I'm going in again with the base, and I'm going to go ahead and go for the color. Now you want to apply the color about 3/4 away from your nails. This was a little bit complicated for me just because both of my cameras are not working. So I'm actually using my iPhone. So the way that I have it set up was just a hot mess. So I just, have to work with what I got until I can get what I can get. And then I'm going ahead and putting it in black. And as you can see, that blue is just so beautiful that I absolutely love it. And I went ahead and finished the rest off camera, and I'm going and dusting everything off. As you can see, that's what the first coat looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with the second coat. think by far this blue is probably my favorite color. It's like sparkly, it's just so cute. And I'm just making sure I get that extra nail polish so it doesn't like roll over. Even though you'll see that it did end up rolling over a little bit in the end. And then this is what the finished look looks like. And so I'm going in with that activator, and pretty much what the activator does is it sets the dip powder in place so that you can go in and file your nails down and get it flat and shape it and all of that fun stuff. And you're gonna see me take the nail filer. Now I usually do file depending, but I'm not even gonna lie, I was not happy with the way the color came out. So I was like, I'm not even gonna do all of this because I'm probably gonna take it off really soon. And as you can see, the black transfers badly to your skin and everything. And this is the first I've experienced with the dip powders. So yeah, I wasn't really too happy with the black. So I just went ahead and I didn't file it down, but usually that's what, after the activator, you wait like 2 minutes and you would go in with your nail filer and you would make it flat and shape your nails the way you want them to be. So right now I'm just going in with the gel top, and it does come with instructions, so I can put that down below in the description box. But it takes about maybe, usually it takes 2 minutes with all the dip powders I've used so far. With this black, it took me about like 5 to 6 minutes for it to dry, and I have no clue why. So this is the final look. I'm still in the process of learning. Like, I know what colors works for my nails and which colors do not. The black, I'm not really feeling it like that, but anyways, after you're done, you want to get some oil for your cuticles. And then this is some cuticle oil that I picked up from somebody local here. And then you just want to go around each and one just so that you can restore, that natural, and get all that dryness out. But yeah, but that's why I use the nail polish under, because I like to change my nails a lot, especially when they don't look perfect. And then also with the whole coronavirus, I hope everyone's staying safe. I still have to go to work, but this is a good way with the nail shops and stuff being closed. So I do hope that you enjoy this video, and if you want to see more of the other colors I have in the future, just go ahead, thumbs up, like, and subscribe to this video. Bye bye.